James is in charge of facility management at a giant tech company. James was deliberately looking for an easy-to-use web and mobile application to help employees save time by bestowing instant access to facility details, etc. On the other hand, he searched for an option that can assign employers digital work orders, and employees can complete their tasks from their smartphones. The cherry on top of the cake is that James's friend recommended him about Facility Manager. The Facility Manager application simplifies your facility operations and asset maintenance management. This application is a piece of cake to use and is fruitful in saving time by giving instant access to facility details, operating data. The Facility Manager is cost-effective, highly customizable, and can be modified to meet the needs of all kinds of unique business processes. Hurry up! Buckle down with Facility Manager.